What is the value of this resistor? Let's decode it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we will locate the color band location. We will decode it. Here are 6 color bands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is technique to mark the bands. If we compare the gap between the color bands, here is less distance than the other bands. So these are first bands. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Second identification here, that the last band is thin band than the others. Less gap at left side. Thin band at right side. Brown. First band brown, value 1. Second, black. Black 0. Third band black 0. It is 6 band resistor. First 3 bands are significant digits. We will write the numbers under this column. Next band, multiplier, yellow. If yellow, we will check the value in the multiplier section. It is 10K. Using a simple technique, we will write 1, 0, 0 and we will add 4 zeros as a multiplier. But in correct ways, 100 multiplied by 10,000, it is 1,000,000, 000, 1 mega ohm. Next band, yellow. That is tolerance. Next band, not yellow, brown. Brown is tolerance. Brown, tolerance plus minus 1%. Last band, red. It is named Tempco, TCR or temperature coefficient. Red, 50 ppm per degree centigrade. 1 mega ohm minus 1 mega ohm multiply with 0.01. 990 K in plus side, 101, 0.99 mega ohm to 1.01 mega ohm. This is acceptable range of this resistor, that is tolerance. That if this resistor is between this window, this resistor is good. 50 ppm. Let's check temperature coefficient. If 1 degree temperature will increase, what is the expected deviation in the resistor value? Resistor value 1 mega ohm multiply with temperature change 1 degree Celsius multiply with 50 ppm, 50 parts per million. 50 divided by million. 50 ohm resistor will increase with 1 degree temperature change. If temperature will increase by 10 degrees Celsius, 500 ohms will increase in the resistor or decrease. If temperature will change 50 degrees Celsius, 2.5 K resistance value may increase or decrease. So it is its stability on temperature. It will indicate that how much stability will be observed by this resistor with change in temperature. It is exactly 1 mega ohm. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.